I arrived in Melbourne on a Viking cruise ship and had less than 10 hours to explore the city. So I decided to take a half-day motor coach tour to get an overview of the city. This isn't the best way to see the sights from a bus window, but we made some stops where we were able to get out and investigate some landmarks. Our first stop was St. Patrick's Cathedral. The architecture from the early 1900s is beautiful, as well as the park and grounds surrounding it. Just looking at the brickwork, it's quite stunning. You're able to go inside for free, no admission, and the interior is equally beautiful with its yellow stained glass windows and beautiful wood beamed ceiling. And outside, I especially love this waterfall that symmetrically took your eyes straight up, 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 up to the top of the steeples. Our next stop was the Royal Botanic Gardens. On the grounds is a conservatory, and inside the conservatory are some lovely floral displays and some sculptures as well. Outside the conservatory, you can wander around and see some gorgeous landscaping, as well as some pretty amazing trees. Check this one out. Next, we visited the Shrine of Remembrance, which is an historic war memorial. Once up the stairs, you enter into the shrine, which has some interesting architecture. This is a view looking up to the ceiling. Once up on the shrine's balcony, you have many views of the city. At this point, I began my own solo walking tour of the city and began by the Yarrow River. There are many restaurants that take in the attractive city views, and you can rent a boat if you want to go up the river. I wandered to the Flinders Street train station, which is also an historic landmark. And close by is Federation Square. This was one of the grooviest locations I found in the city, where people were communally watching a football game in the square. My final stop was to Hosier Lane, which is an entire long block of some amazing graffiti by some very talented graffiti artists. That completed my tour of the city. I felt like I viewed just the tip of the iceberg and hope to return someday to explore more in depth.